tricks for PTE Read Aloud. 1. Understand the sentence first during preparation time. You get around 30 to 40 seconds before the mic opens. Quickly read the sentence silently to understand the meaning and tone. Identify difficult words and check the punctuation. 2. Fluency is more important than accuracy. Do not stop, repeat, or correct yourself while reading. If you make a small mistake, just continue. The software scores you higher for fluent delivery than for perfect grammar. 3. Use proper intonation and word stress. Don't speak in a flat tone. Stress the important content words, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Example, the environment is gradually changing due to climate change. 4. Pause where punctuation tells you to. Comma, short pause. Full stop, long pause. Colon, semicolon equals medium pause. This helps with natural rhythm and clarity. 5. Practice difficult words separately. Make a list of words from academic topics, like science, economy, health. Practice their pronunciation with apps like Google or Cambridge Dictionary. 6. Record yourself. Use your mobile or app to record your voice while practicing. Listen and check for clear pronunciation, consistent fluency, natural pacing. Use a read aloud structure while practicing. Speak confidently in the beginning, smoothly through the middle, and clearly at the end. Example, the global economy has experienced significant changes over the last decade. Bonus tip, read like a news anchor, confident, smooth, and slightly expressive. Read aloud sentences, advanced level. 1. Climate change. Climate change has become one of the most pressing challenges of our time, affecting not only the natural environment, but also economies and human health across the globe. Scientists urge immediate action to reduce carbon emissions, invest in renewable energy, and implement sustainable practices to prevent irreversible damage. Governments, industries, and individuals must collaborate to create long-term solutions that can secure a better future for the coming generations. 2. Artificial intelligence. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has led to groundbreaking innovations in medicine, education, and communication. However, it also raises ethical concerns regarding privacy, employment, and decision-making. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, it's crucial to establish clear regulations and ensure transparency to maintain public trust and societal balance. Education in the digital age. Education plays a vital role in shaping individuals and societies by fostering critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. With the growing use of digital technologies, traditional classrooms are evolving into interactive and accessible learning spaces. Teachers must adapt to these changes by embracing new tools and teaching methods to meet the diverse needs of modern learners. Economic globalization. Economic globalization has increased interconnectivity among nations, leading to growth in trade, cultural exchange, and access to information. While it has brought significant benefits, such as improved living standards and innovation, it has also widened the gap between developed and developing countries. Addressing inequality and ensuring fair distribution of resources is essential for sustainable development. And 5. Environment and public health. Human health is closely linked to environmental conditions, as pollution, deforestation, and climate change contribute to the spread of diseases and poor air and water quality. Public health experts emphasize the importance of environmental protection policies and community awareness programs to promote healthier living conditions. Collective efforts are necessary to create a healthier and more resilient world.